How to stop iPhone from automatically turning off. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on the Display and Brightness option. This section lets you manage your screen's appearance, brightness, and other related settings. In the Display and Brightness menu, scroll down to find and tap on Auto Lock. Auto Lock determines the amount of time before your iPhone screen automatically turns off and locks. You will now see a list of time intervals. Simply change the settings to Never. You will now see that the Auto Lock setting has been updated to your new preference. Following these steps, you can easily stop the iPhone from automatically turning off. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.